In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pie chart in Google Looker Studio. A pie chart is perfect when you want to show how parts contribute to a whole, at a glance. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to select, and how to make your data appear clearly in a simple visual. Start by opening Google Looker Studio in your browser. From the home area, head to your reporting section so you can work with an existing report or open the one you want to edit. Once your report is open on screen, switch into editing mode by clicking Edit near the top. If you don't see the options we're using today, double check that you're in edit mode and that the report isn't in view only. With the canvas ready, add your visualization by selecting Add a Chart. A gallery of chart types appears. Choose Pie from the list. This chart is designed to display categories as slices, so it's important that your data includes a clear category and a numeric value to measure. Click and drag on the report canvas to draw the pie chart where you want it. You can adjust its size by dragging the corners, and you can reposition it until it fits neatly in your layout. Keeping ample space around the chart helps labels remain legible. Look to the right side of the screen and make sure you're on the Setup tab. This is where you connect data and define what the chart will show. Begin by choosing your data source. Pick the source that contains the fields you need. If your fields don't appear as expected, you may be looking at the wrong source or a view that doesn't include those columns. Next, select a dimension. This should be the categorical field you want to slice by, things like channel, product, region, or status. A good dimension has a manageable number of unique values so the chart stays readable. Too many categories can crowd the pie, and Looker Studio may group small values into an other slice. Then choose a metric, which is the numeric value that drives the slice size. Common choices include sessions, revenue, count of records, or any field that can be aggregated. Looker Studio typically sums metrics by default, but ensure the aggregation matches your intent. After these selections, your pie chart will populate automatically. Give it a quick scan to confirm the slices tell the story you need, and resize or reposition it on the page if needed. That's all it takes to create a clear share of total view in Google Looker Studio.